Okay, so now we will be going over a work rate problem. Something it's not quite as common as some of the problems we worked on in the other videos, but it's something, if it comes up, always seems to cause students problems. So let's go over it. So it'll usually look something like this. You'll have worker A, B, and C. You can say worker A finishes a job in 6 hours. Worker B finishes a job in 8 hours. Worker C finishes a job in 15 hours. And it asks, how long will it take if they all work together? Assuming that when they work together, they won't get in the way of each other and make each other slower, so that they're not hindered by each other. So what we can do is turn this into a rate problem again, and that's very consistent across the board with a lot of the problems students have difficulty with. So what we can do is we can say, okay, move this. So worker A takes him 6 hours to finish one job. Okay, so you can go 6 hours per one job. Worker B's 8 hours per one job. Worker C 15 hours for one job. Okay, and now what we're going to do is we're going to say, okay, so how much would each of these take to, or each of these workers, or how much of a job would they complete in 1 hour? Let's just think about that. So if worker A finishes a job in 6 hours, that means in 1 hour, he'll complete 1/6 of the job. Worker B, if it takes him 8 hours, in 1 hour, he'll complete 1/8 of the job, okay? And then worker C will complete 1/15, okay? And for every hour that goes by, worker A will finish another 1/6, worker B will finish another 1/8, worker C will finish another 1/15. So what we can do is we can say, okay, we want to complete one job. So we'll set this equal to 1. We'll take 1/6 times the number of hours total, because we don't know that, plus 1/8, and that x is the number of hours, again, plus 1/15 times x. Okay? So, together, working together, we can use all the rates, 1/6 of a job per hour, 1/8 of a job per hour, 1/15 of a job per hour, and we can solve for x, which is the total number of hours it will take all of them to complete the job. So if we get the calculator out and we add all the rates up, let's see, 1/6 plus 1/8 plus 1/15 equals that value, which in fraction form is 43.